Traigan ustedes dos.
Just stop. Just stop doing it. You're going to drive me crazy.
Sorry I annoyed you with my friendship.
It's like a pro. Sir, your earmuffs are a bit chewy today. One kid is just easier to fall asleep than another. This is just a Disney movie that hasn't been edited yet.
Noodle, she's asleep.
Is this a vet clinic or a red carpet event? I'm confused.
Just sit on me, Maggie, or head's too heavy.
The moon to open your eyes.
He's got the warrior spirit, but a safety-first evacuation plan.
What are you guys doing over there looking all trouble-ish? Are you guys looking like troublemakers?
Folks, I'm glad we found the perfect recipe for perfect Sunday. Proof that size doesn't matter when you both speak the universal language of WAG. Feels 100% safe with his little monsieur. Forget babe. I bet this child's going to be a dentist when she grows up. Dog'll agree. This Pomeranian's like, wow, you have so much fur. Is it hot there? Big Doggo is acting as an airport security scanner.
like.
Oh, so gentle. Oh. Would you just look at it? Look at my.
If happiness needs a visual presentation, wondering if the return policy has already expired. Ever tried the socks on break method? It's the Great Nanny's safety technique.
Funny? Funny? Is she closing her eyes?
That goat is living in the year 3026. No jungle gym is better than this.
Put herself up here with her front paws. from the ladder. She climbed on the ladder.
Oh my god.
Why buy a Tempur-Pedic when you have
¿Qué hacen acá ustedes dos?
the human's best friend?
Thanks, be nice.
That goat is living in the year 3026. No jungle gym is better than this. Guinea fowls are naturally territorial and loud, so this is just so sweet.
What are you doing?
You can see her spirit leaving her body. Commander of a very hairy tank.
Uwaga, głowa большая.
Mommy needs to see me. That's it. You need to see me. Or you won't be our dog anymore.
Guinea fowls are naturally territorial and loud, so this is just so sweet. When Doggo shares his best, most slobbery toy, you're his BFF.
Goodness gracious.
The look of a proud babysitter towards the child's milestones. Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're looking at the most hilarious reactions from dogs meeting their tiny new baby siblings.
Careful. Oh, she loves him.
Like cheese.
She's laughing.
Forget batteries, this jumper is powered by Good Boy Energy. Feels 100% safe with his little Monsieur.
Capone, what are you doing up there, buddy? Huh?
Oh, kasi nito.
Kind of laughing. I think she's laughing. Is this funny?
He's just letting the toddler win today. Peak Big Brother energy. One is at 2 times speed, while the other is still stuck on the loading screen. Sir, your earmuffs are a bit chewy today. Today we're watching big dogs become the sweetest babysitters. Let's go! Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, tiny pups take on the giants. It's adorable, chaotic, and hilarious. Let's go!
Billy, careful.
To avoid waking the boss. I bet the scent-based security clearance has passed. It looks like a giant meeting its tiny pocket-sized life coach. When the floor is lava, but the puppies are life.
Careful. Oh, she loves him.
Although the ostrich starts late, but I'm betting my life savings on him.
Come here. You're so pretty.
He's so pretty. Give him a smooch.
This is Nico. It's your brother.
What a special episode when Tom chases after the dog.
Ой, не могу, у вас такая любовь с персиком.
The Golden Retriever luxury parking garage is now open for business. Welcome to where fur meets funny. Today, tiny pups take on the giants. It's adorable, chaotic, and hilarious. Let's go! The baby didn't order a facial wash, but I guess it's necessary.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Those pug eyes are practically popping out with excitement. This is just a Disney movie that hasn't been edited yet. Basking in love and in sunshine.
Is she closing her eyes?
That level of patience deserves a medal or a very large steak. He takes his job as the backseat security detail very seriously.
Margot, your sister. Your sister, you guys. Yeah? Calm.
Someone's clearly more into the mat than the baby.
Чего ты делаешь?
He takes his job as the backseat security detail very seriously. Commander of a very hairy tank.
Голова большая.
My celebrity crush and I if we meet at a fan convention. Proof that size doesn't matter when you both speak the universal language of WAG. The dogs went undercover so deep they forgot to be the managers. One is at 2 times speed, while the other is still stuck on the loading screen.
Hey, buddy, you're gonna be all right. You're gonna be all right. Brandy's gonna take good care of you.
The crow knows if he controls... Folks, I'm glad we found the perfect recipe for perfect Sunday. Free head massage in exchange for being a full-time guardian.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
He's got the warrior spirit, but a safety-first evacuation plan. Big Doggo is acting as an airport security scanner. Speed doesn't matter when it comes to friendship. The Golden Retriever luxury parking garage is now open for business. This looks like the start of a heist planning movie. Welcome to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we're looking at the most hilarious reactions from dogs meeting their tiny new baby siblings.
Вона як на пляжі. І посопує. Ось, маленька, але стільки щесала.
Don't do it! Don't! Don't! Thank you. Don't! Don't pick on...
2.
You're okay. I know. He's okay.
When they're together, your security deposit doesn't stand a chance. This looks like the start of a heist planning movie.
You loving that piggy? Oh, I am. You're so sweet. How can you even be that sweet? How can you be that sweet?
It looks like a giant meeting. It's tiny pocket-sized life coach. The big dog's face says, "I didn't sign up for this Disney live action." What a special episode when Tom chases after the dog.
It's Margot, your sister. Your sister, you guys. Yeah? Calm.
%100% of his brain power to manifest that cracker into his own mouth. No touching, no press, no photos. Back away from the pyramid. Everyone!